Hi, my name is Elizabeth Gonzalez, and I'm a paralegal at the National Immigrant Justice Center, here to share information that our immigrant communities need to prepare for Trump's mass deportation threats. All people in the United States have rights, regardless of our immigration status. Understanding these rights is our first step towards safeguarding ourselves and our loved ones. In this video, we'll discuss what mass deportations might look like, the risks immigrants may face, and 5 critical steps you can take today to protect yourself and your family. First, what do we think Trump means when he talks about mass deportations? One tool the administration may use is the expedited removal program, along with neighborhood and workplace raids. Expedited removal allows for immigration officers to deport people without due process, if they can establish that this person has been in the United States for less than 2 years and entered without immigration documents. Under expedited removal, detained individuals may be deported quickly without appearing before an immigration judge. However, anyone without secure immigration status could be at risk for deportation and detention, regardless of how long they've been in the United States. People who were ordered deported in the past and people who have had contact with the criminal legal system are at particular risk. I know this sounds scary, but there are steps you can take now to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your community. You can find all our resources at immigrantjustice.org/knowyourrights. Now, here are the 5 steps you can take to protect yourself, your loved ones from the upcoming administration's deportation threats. First, seek legal consultation. You can contact private attorneys through the American Immigration Lawyers Association, or reach out to a nonprofit organization that has accreditation from the Department of Justice to represent people in immigration proceedings. Here is the contact information for these resources. Now, second, create a safety plan. Memorize emergency contacts and ensure your child's school or daycare knows who is authorized to pick them up in the case of an emergency. Provide authorization in writing for your emergency contact to make legal and medical decisions on your child's behalf. If you are a resident in Indiana or Illinois, you can find more information about guardianship at this link. Third, gather and secure important documents. Keep identity and financial records safe and accessible to your emergency contacts. Collect proof of your time in the United States, especially from the last 2 years. This can include income tax returns, utility bills, leases, school records, medical records, bank records, or other documents. Fourth, avoid immigration fraud. Immigrants may be targeted by people wanting to exploit their situation to make money. In order to avoid immigration fraud, only seek legal advice from people who are authorized to give it. Lawyers must have a license from a U.S. state to practice law. Ask to see their law license. Accredited representatives must work for a nonprofit agency recognized by the Department of Justice. Law licenses from other countries do not authorize the practice of law in the United States. Never sign forms that are blank or have false information. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Get a second opinion if you can. Finally, number 5, be alert for scams. Be skeptical of social media posts promising new or quick ways to receive immigration relief. The United States government will never contact you via WhatsApp or social media. If you receive an unexpected message or call from someone who claims to be an immigration officer or government official, do not share personal information or send them money. If you are unsure, consult an attorney or accredited representative before taking any action. By staying informed and prepared, we can better protect our communities. For more resources and guidance, visit immigrantjustice.org/KYR. Remember, in the United States, we all have rights.